Hey guys, now welcome to part 2. We are going to know how to flash it for Windows 10 and below. So, guys, you can use any type of BIOS for Windows 10. It can be CSM or UEFI because Windows 10 has been there from 2015 and UEFI has been introduced after the release of Windows 10, and Windows 10 has really low system requirements. So, yeah, guys, that's why Windows 10 can support CSM, as the computers at that time were not that much high tech. Okay, guys, we'll get back into the video. So, yeah, guys, anyways, I'm back, and guys, this takes below 20 minutes. And guys, for my laptop, this is only taking like 10 minutes, but for you it may be below 20 minutes. For all computers it must be below 20 minutes otherwise. So yeah, guys, done. And Microsoft has also said that all the Windows 11 ISOs from Windows 11 onwards, you will require a UEFI, a type BIOS. Okay, instead of CSM you need UEFI. Now on most laptops from like uh, fifth gen Intel processors onwards, they will get the option for this UEFI. But now, and my laptop uses a UEFI because I got my like this Im- the image from Dell, the disk image. So yeah, guys, this already has UEFI and secure boot on it. From Windows 11 onwards, you will require UEFI type BIOS, not a CSM type BIOS. Now, CSM is also known as default BIOS, and all computers below, and all computers that have one that come with a that come with a before or before the Intel CPUs, like after the Intel CPUs have been introduced, CSM came. So yeah, guys, CSM is the most common BIOS mode till now because many people are using it on Windows 10 and not on Windows 11. And yeah, guys, and if you're wondering what this laptop is actually a Dell Latitude 7400. So yeah, guys, I'm just gonna open like Task Manager. So if you want to know the specifications very well, okay, I'll show you the specifications. See, so basically we have a Intel Core i5-8365U. Now, in terms of all this, the Intel Core i5-8365U is the best i5 for is the best 8th gen i5 for laptops, and this Dell Latitude 7400 has it. And yeah, guys, I have 16 gigabytes of RAM. This has, see, 2400 mega transfers per second. That's a really fast one. And mm, and you see the disk 0, right? You know why the disk usage is so low? See, this is a Samsung NVMe. See, it's a NVMe over here. This is the SanDisk that I've flashed Windows 11 on. And yeah, guys, If you're wondering what this is only for like the this VMware, these two. So yeah, this is my real Wi-Fi adapter, and this is the GPU I use. So yeah, it's integrated graphics. See how much. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna update my drivers pretty soon. Okay, guys, back to the main point. So we have this, right? Okay, guys. So now we are finished with the Windows 11 ISO. And guys, while the ISO is flashing onto the the storage device, do not unplug it. This can corrupt the storage device. Okay, guys. Anyway, we'll now move on to the Windows 10 one. So we have got to close this. We got to close Rufus. And what you got to do is you cannot just unplug it because it's an installation media. And yeah, guys, see this. This even has the setup on it. Okay, guys, so you have to eject this before you unplug. Okay, guys, we have successfully ejected this. And yeah, guys, the USB drive may seem very hot after this, but don't worry, guys. It's coming from data transferring. Okay, now we'll move on to the next SanDisk drive. I'm going to install Windows 10 on this one. Ignore this. Now, yeah, guys, a I use this as a Dell recovery media for my old laptop, the 7480. We'll get onto a comparison between those, but yeah, guys, we got to flash Windows 10 on this. Okay, guys, so we'll go back to Rufus. We'll go back to Rufus, and there will be a prompt that says user account control. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? We'll put the Rufus here, and then it will say verified publisher Accio Consulting and the file origin. Now you got to click on yes. Okay, guys. So basically, we're gonna select the ISO. And don't worry if your USB drive has multiple partitions, okay, guys? So it will select the whole USB drive. Okay, so we gotta click on Windows 10 ISO. Now, see, guys, we'll name it Windows 10. See, now this will say to customize the Windows installation. For Windows 10 and below, this only this type of dialog box will pop up. Only create a local account with username, disable data collection, disable BitLocker automatic device encryption, and finally set regional options to same value as this users. I already explained you all this. So yeah, guys, we'll click on OK. See, so this just ignore this, okay? This is just some yada yada. So both the partitions will be destroyed. So all the data in both the partitions will be destroyed and overwritten, and they will get merged. We gotta click on OK. See, guys. Wait, guys. So yeah, guys, you can select either NTFS or FAT32, but FAT32 is most recommended for Windows 10 installers, but NTFS is more recommended for the for Windows 10 and below installers. For Windows 11 and above installers, NTFS is most recommended, guys. So yeah, I'll be I'll be right back, guys. So guys, I'll update you once this is done. So yeah, guys, there is another. I'm making another video on how to install Windows onto a computer, that and a VM. So yeah, guys, both of them are gonna be separate videos. So okay, guys, I'll see you in the next video. So yeah, guys, there is another. I'm making another video on how to install Windows onto a computer, that and a VM. So yeah, guys, both of them are gonna be separate videos. So okay, guys, I'll see you in the next video.